Just got back from Aldi. Here is my Aldi haul. I'm going to go through everything. There were a couple things that they did not have, so we're also going to have to supplement with a Walmart haul. But I start with Aldi to kind of save some money on things. I'm going to review this, then do the Walmart haul, and then I'm going to share with you at the end my whiteboard and my insert panel that is going to go over all the ideas and menu plans for the week. So let's get started. All right, got some baby Bella mushrooms, and those are really good. Really like those. And some everything chopped salad kit. We are going to do our hybrid meal again today with our chili, so this is going to go really good with that. I got some more mini cucumbers and some zucchini. I didn't realize this is the organic zucchini. If you do not mind on getting organic versus just the regular was a lot less money. I didn't realize that till I got to the register, but there we go, 2 zucchini, 4 avocados. These were a little cheaper, just by a handful of cents. I mean, like 5 cents different than Walmart. 2 apples. I got the bell peppers, the 3 orange and red bell peppers, a pack of green onions. Brussels sprouts were looking good. I just love Brussels sprouts. Another pack of those. Some deli meat. I did get the honey ham, uncured, organic, the Simply Nature, so I did get some of those. And cheese, I did get a sharp cheddar block of cheese. Let's go back up here. 12 eggs were the same exact price as Walmart, so I just picked them up here. This cheese tray, looking at a charcuterie board for game day. And this one from Aldi has extra sharp white cheddar, Havarti, Asiago, and Gouda. I did decide to go with the lesser brand, the more generic brand of cream cheese, since we'll be making some dips and it's just for us at home. And then 2 packages bacon. I got the uncured. My son does not love the uncured from Aldi, so I picked him up this center cut bacon so he can enjoy that, and I'll just have that for me. And then some frozen items. We got mini wontons, the chicken and vegetable dumpling. I've seen many people make this into soup and have a great dumpling soup. I was thinking either that or just air frying it. It even tells you on the bag, ready in 5 minutes, air fried. So we'll just use those throughout the week. I did want to try these, never had them before, cauliflower potato chips. I got the sour cream and onion flavored, so pick up a package of those. We also got some feta cheese. This is where you have to, really look closely if you're comparing to other stores. They are cheaper, but it's 4 ounces, where at Walmart it's 5 ounces. So you gotta kind of look at those things. But I got the feta, the crumbled feta. This is still an item at Aldi, and I gave mine away to my mom and she said it was so wonderful. So I'm going to use it ourselves. Butterball, this is the turkey breast. This is frozen, the boneless turkey breast, and they were 70 cents a pound. So grab one of those because that's going to be a great crock pot meal. 2 bags of cauliflower rice. Wanted some of that because I'm going to be making some coconut chicken this week and wanted to have more of that. And then just some splurge items because I am making a game day feast and or a couple game day items, not so much a feast, but I did want to have something sweet on there. So these classic red velvet bites, and I was going to, hopefully I can do it. I was going to pipe some icing that says Kansas City on those, so we'll see if that happens. But that's why I bought these red velvet cakes. Hazelnut cookies. A friend let us try these before, and they were so good, so I picked up a package of those. They're yummy. I wanted some more of our organic. I haven't gotten this in a while because we've been getting our whole beans from Amazon, but I do want to review the package and compare them and see this organic single whole bean. I just love this from Aldi, so picked up a package of that. And then here are 2 Aldi finds, the AOS, the Isle of Shame, which I have no shame, even though I have a terrible habit of being completely obsessed with fuzzy socks. And so I did pick up this ladies ultra soft socks, 2 pairs, 2 packs, and 2 in the pack, and they are ultra soft. I can't resist. I just can't resist fuzzy socks, and got a pair of those. And then also these chair pads were on sale, so I did pick up these in the blue. These are the memory foam chair pads. We have these, I'll show you. We have these wooden chairs here in the kitchen, and we have 2 chairs that on the ends have the padding, and all the rest of the chairs do not. And if you sit there a long time, it can be a pain. So I thought, let's get some memory foam chair pads, especially since they were on sale. So that is our haul. Everything we got from Aldi. Once again, Walmart will have to supplement because there are some things we really wanted this week that Aldi did not have. And then I'll show you the board, what I'm planning for the week with the game day food and just our weekly meals. Okay, here's our Walmart haul just delivered, a small haul. This is the supplemental haul to the Aldi haul, and these are just going to help when I share the menu for the week. You'll see all the ingredients we're going to work with. So let me share with you just what I got. A very small haul here. 2 bananas, regular sausage. My husband really likes this sausage a lot. Got another one of those. 2 bags. If you watch my hauls, you see we always get cauliflower, and you saw at Aldi I got the riced cauliflower, which I really enjoy. And then my husband likes the florets because he turns that into mashed potatoes with cauliflower, so cauliflower mash we call it. And then 2 limes, more fresh broccoli, so 2 heads of broccoli. We needed butter. We like the sweet cream salted butter. And then ground ginger. We use that a lot, so we had to get more of that. We had to get more of the minced jar garlic. My son loves pistachios, and we got the roasted and salted, and these are out of the shell, so these are deshelled. Very, very good. We love those. He enjoys those on salads. Pepperoni for our charcuterie board. Shallots for one of the recipes with chicken and lime and coconut. And then jalapeno peppers diced in a little can here. I'm going to make some jalapeno pepper dip. More Zaxby sauce. We really like this Zaxby sauce. More Kewpie mayonnaise and some balsamic vinegar. So really just some staple items, some other things just for the week, and some other things for some of the recipes specifically. And we always have to have our cauliflower and our broccoli. But that is it, small haul, and our total came to just over $48, which if you add that to the Aldi haul, we did say under budget. Our groceries only totaled about $140. So we did good this week, and let me show you what we have planned for the menu. Here are my 2 resources for planning the meals for the week. I start with my insert that is in my Laurel Denise planner, and it is removable, so it can sit with me on the couch with my phone. Hard to do with one hand. I can get it out. I can. And there. And I can have that with me with my phone. And then this is what I actually do. I take it out and go to the fridge, the pantry, and everything, and write down the inventory of what I have on hand. And that's how I start my meals. And then I do a little browsing on Pinterest and some other areas. And then I come up with what I have, and then making those 2 hauls. And then this is what we have planned for the week. All right, so I'm planning to do tonight is the hybrid takeout meal. We're going to order that chili, and I'm going to pair it with the salad kit I have and also some bread that's still in the freezer. We are going to do coconut lime chicken. That'll probably be a crock pot meal, and I'll use up some of that frozen chicken. We are going to do pork steaks that I bought recently at a markdown meat sale at a local grocery store, and with those Brussels sprouts I just recently bought. And then I am wanting to use up some of that cream of mushroom soup and some of the things from the pantry to make a chicken broccoli rice casserole. I'm also looking at that big turkey roast that we can put that in the crock pot, make that one evening on probably the weekend. And then Sunday is game day, so we're going to make apps, which are over here on this side. I did just keep a reminder of the breakfast prep. I still have these items to make some breakfast, and probably have all that leftover cheese to make a quiche. The game day apps are going to be jalapeno pepper dip, meatball Wellingtons, because I still have puff brie street and 1 bag of meatballs left, and my charcuterie spread, which I bought those items from Aldi and Walmart specifically for that. So that is the plan for this week. And with my 2 resources, I feel very good and feel like I've planned it out, focused on going through what I have first. So the budget and what we spent, here is the grand total again of what we spent this week, and looking forward to another great week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.